Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover Monopoly Go account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and search for Monopoly Go support. Hit enter. So you simply need to click on the first website, click on understood, and here you need to click on how can I contact customer support. Scroll down, click on now, and here you need to click on this option. So here you need to write I want to chat with agent. So you need to send that, and here you can see that before we begin we need some more information. What's your email address? So you need to provide your email address here, and after that you are able to chat with Monopoly Go agent, and you need to describe your issue, what you are facing an issue, and hopefully that agent will help to recover your account. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.